safety feature is important. Ensures the reliability of your system.
The water can become too hot and cause severe burn. The risk of electrocution.
Our water heater is using on-run double relay ELCB.
Beebest connector terminal. Withstand up to 500 degrees Celsius and high electrical power loading. Flow switch. Prevents scalding and overheating if water pressure is too low. Detect the presence of the water flow. Leak-proof heater tank. Withstand up to 150 Celsius hot temperature. Extremely robust and long lifespan. Consistent and reliable quality. Heating element made of thicker copper material than others.